And I'm black, y'all.
So guys, I already doing my eyebrows. You know what, yeah. Oh god, I was about to clip my eyebrow out. You should know that I love spraying. Like when it comes to spraying my face, I love it. I love spraying my face. I think my face is just like, just my favorite. It's just my favorite. I watched this tutorial yesterday and I was like, oh my god, I fell in love with it. And I'm like, I'm gonna just create the same look like hers, because I watch Love and Hip Hop. Don't get me wrong, I watch Love and Hip Hop. Love and Hip Hop is like my favorite thing. I watch Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. I watched the new one LA, and I watched another one. The newest one is on thing Miami. That is like lit. But I think my favorite one is obviously New York. I think the New York one, the one Cali B she was in. The one Cali B she was in, that was lit. But this one, the Miami one, I think is good, because it's like those skin girls, we are a little bit like, we're a little bit confused with ourselves. I'm gonna say that. Even our own black people, like if you're light skin, you think you're better than the dark skin. It's always like that. The first I can remember is always like that. So this Love and Hip Hop to come out, and the girl should stand up for black dark skin girls, and then she expressed how she feel and how the world they taking her. It's just like, that's really true, you know. I really love it. It's like them kind of things you watch, you be like, yes, that's true. This foundation by Rihanna is a little bit like, it's not my skin tone, but it looks like my skin tone. Growing up as a dark skin girl is always difficult. Let me tell you, it's just always difficult. If you're light skin, yeah, it's always easier. When I say easier, when you're young skin, dark skin girl growing up, it's always, you think like you know better, you know. Or if you are kind of the light skin girl, like they're black like you, but you're dark skin and the light skin, it always seems like they get attention better than you, but loads of attention better than you, and that it can make you feel like you know perfect. What's wrong with me? Should I change my skin tone? And that's why I think sometimes dark skin girls, they change their skin tone, because you just think you're not better, you're not perfect like that other one. They get more attention. And I've been there. I'm telling you, I've been there. And because I say that because I'm dark skin, I know what we got through. But when you tell a light skin black girl, they'll be like, why? I feel the same way. No, you don't, you know. So yeah, it's always been that feeling you think you're not better than light skin, and light skin people, they're always thinking you're jealous of them. But you know, the funny thing is, let me just do this before this, it dries so quick. The Makeup Evolution concealer, it dries so quick, so you have to work with it really quick. So let me just do this. So it's always struggle to be a dark skin. The dark skin and light skin people, they'll be like, oh, you're just jealous of us, you want to beat us, you're just jealous, or you're not beautiful. And when they say that to you, obviously you might, you know, them people, they'll be like, oh, you're dark skin, but why would you want to like yourself? You're beautiful enough. But you're thinking, you're saying that because you're my friend, or you're saying that because if you pity for me, or you're saying that what's wrong? But the funny thing, and this is what the funny thing is, why people, they see us as all of us, we are black, you know, we are black. But in the black society, we think we are dark skin and a light skin. So it's totally different, dark and light skin. And they have a little bit of racist inside. I don't want to say racist. It's just like a hatred, you know, that kind of hate, but you don't want to say it. You just keep it in your mind like, oh, we dark skin, blah blah blah. We dark skin, they always think like that. Light skin, they always think like that. It's just crazy for me. It's just crazy how it can be. Sometimes you just thinking yourself like, what's the point of this? Like, why are we even bothered to talk about it? And that is there, it's still there. It's just crazy. Like, I don't think he will never go away. It's always dark skin is dark skin, light skin is light skin. It's always like this. Since I was a little kid, it's always like that. It's just like you're thinking like, what's the point even to be dark skin, you know? If you are young, you don't have a strong heart, you might hurt yourself and think, why God give me this? Why God you want me to be a dark skin? Why you didn't bring me as a light skin like everyone else? You know, you ask yourself questions, and sometimes you wish to be a light skin, but you're beautiful no matter where you are. You're just beautiful, girl. You're just beautiful. You know, don't ever take anyone what they say. If you know what, yeah, it's funny thing is, when I was like 13 years old, and I used to rock around with the like light skin girls and stuff, I used to feel like a little bit behind. I used to think they got more attention than me, and I never thought myself why. Okay, I don't know, lie. I used to think to myself like, why the light skin? Why I'm not light skin but like them, you know? Why guys I don't get attention from guys? And I think when you're 14 years old, 15, that's when you want attention from guys, you know? It's them kind of thing. Every woman, they're going that kind of world. You want attention, you want someone to ask you out, and like, you know, them kind of things. You're thinking, oh, someone never asked me out. I'm a popular kid. I will tell my friends, and my friend they'll tell me the story as well. You want to experience them kind of things. Now when you don't, you feel like, what's wrong with me? Why I am not beautiful enough? Why guys are not asking me out because I'm dark skin? And that's why the dark skin comes out. And that's why you see people sometimes they take dark skin really serious. And you hear some guys saying that ignorant guys will come to you be like, oh, you're dark skin. The girls that I do go out with, like, what's that mean? You're thinking, why would you say that to me? Like, you are beautiful. I don't go out with the dark skin, but you're gonna be the first one to go out with. You're thinking, why would you even want to say that to me? Why would you want to say that? Okay, if you never go out with the dark skin, does that make me the special one? And I think some girls, when a guy say that, you think, oh my god, I'm a special one. He went out with the first dark skin in his life. But I think that's quite a little bit disgusting, even the guy to say that to you. That's in my opinion, you know. But some girls, they'll take it how they want to take it, you know. Thinking to yourself like, what's wrong with me? You seem kind of paranoid. I think people that pull you inside, and then when you're not confident enough as a dark-skinned black woman, I think that will take you as commit suicide, or to change your skin tone, or to bleach yourself. I see quite a lot of people, and I watch quite a lot of the community about black girls trying to make themselves light because you don't think you're good enough, you don't think you're beautiful enough, you don't see, even now you don't see dark skin winning out there. You just see some people, you know, like Lupita Longoria. That's the only person I've seen, dark skin girl doing well. And where is she? She's there somewhere, but she's not that popular how she was. And all the celebrity up there, they're only light skin, the people that they level as like as a Beyonce or Rihanna, they're all light skin girls. And you're seeing yourself like, where's all the dark skin? And that's why you see lots of dark skin people, you're thinking, what's the point to try? Because I will make it. And that's not good. That's not good enough. Because you're thinking, oh, you have to be light skinned to make it. That's what you think, you know. And you're supposed to be that. You're supposed to be like, you know what, I'm beautiful enough, no matter what skin I am. what skin I am, I will make it. But it's not like that. And when you tell people are like, you're just paranoid. When you tell people, you'd be like, oh, you're just paranoid. That is dead and gone. It's done. You know? You're thinking like, no, it's not. It's still there. The racist is still there. I'm gonna take it, Dodo. You know? It just them kind of... It's a shame how we... Even we black girls is racist inside. You know, I said I won't use that kind of racist words, but I think it's still racist inside. All the black girls are thinking, I'm a light skin, I'm a better than that. That's not true. We are same, okay? We are same. Black white people don't see us as the same black people. Why would we not see ourselves as the same? And even not that, I think is black people, we don't support each other. Even those skin, we don't support each other, because I'm thinking, if I support her and if she become bigger than me, then what? You know, it's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be we support each other, no matter what skin tone, light, dark skin. We're supposed to support each other. Even dark skin, I don't think we support each other. Even black people, generally, I don't think we support each other. It's just how it is. It's just a shame how we don't support each other. You just think like, what's the point? Why we don't support each other as a normal people, as how people are supposed to be? But it's just shame, man. It's shame. We're supposed to be ashamed of ourselves. Yourself like, what the hell? It is how God bless us with this beautiful skin. But people, they're taking the wrong way. God bless them as well to understand our beautiful skin. But you know what? If I have a child, a young child, obviously I don't have a child yet, but if I have a child and if she end up to be a dark skin like me, I'm pretty much she gonna be dark skin like me, and then she come to me saying, Mom, I want to bleach my skin, or I don't feel beautiful, or something like that, I will understand, because I've been there. You know, I won't be like, oh my God, why would you do that? No, I will understand, and I will sit her down and I'll be like, life is not what it seems like. You just have to embrace who you are, and you have to love yourself. And whatever people are gonna say you're not beautiful enough, say fuck off. Fuck off. I'm saying that right now. You know, I'm saying that right now because I've been there. I have a experience with it, so now I think I'm alright with it. You know, now I think I can say, you know what, if you don't like who I am, if you don't like my skin tone, we're not friends. I'm saying that because I have a more confidence with myself right now. How I look like, my skin tone. I love my skin tone. I won't change nothing about it. But come for me when I was 14 years old, I would be like, yes, I want to change my skin. Like, literally. That's not a lie. I won't change nothing about what? About myself, because I love myself that much. That much. I love myself that much. God, that looks, it just feels so beautiful. You know, I'm just beautiful. No matter what, just think yourself that you're beautiful no matter what. So you have to see yourself. I'm beautiful no matter what. No matter what you think about me, I'm still beautiful. Oh my God. I look like, you know, you love yourself. Do do do. When you say you look like me, when you say you look like me, love yourself. Do-do-do, do-do-do, love yourself. Oh baby, you love yourself. Do-do-do, do-do-do, love yourself. Love, 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 love. Ain't nobody you love you better. That's the song you have to sing, you know. I'm telling you this. You know? What kind of song you need to sing? I need to buy small scissors. You know, this one is quite nice, but I think sometimes it can be a little bit like, you know. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. So one more thing, guys, one more thing I want to say. No matter what skin you are beautiful. Don't change yourself. Don't change yourself for anybody or whatever they say to you. You are beautiful. Be your own kind of way of beautiful, and just love yourself no matter what. If you love yourself, everyone, they'll fall in love with you.